Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is my C71. This is a turbo racing 176 scale model. This is the newest model, well, one of the newest models. They have two newer models now. I've been loving this thing. This is my favorite of all the 176 scales that I have. On the side there, I have another C71, and I have a quarter and a dime sitting there just to give you guys an idea of just how tiny these little things are. And I just love them, man. This 176 scale C71 is a lot faster than the original 176 scale. I still love those two as well, but I'm really excited about this new C72 and C73 model. As you can see, this little thing actually drifts and slides and all if you have it on the correct surface for doing that. But this new C72 and C73 is a different design. That's all I really wanted, was for these things to come out with different bodies and different models and stuff like that. Just to have a little diversity between the cars and everything when you're racing them. I think it's a little better than having just different colored bodies. And that black one there that I have sitting next to that quarter there is actually a custom body that I did. I custom painted it, and they come with two extra covers for you to custom paint and everything. And so I made that one black. I custom did the wheels on this yellow one black. But anyhow, just really excited about these new models. I will be having them soon on the channel, and I will have a full comparison. Don't forget to smash the like button. That helps other people find the channel. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thanks for watching.